Voice in from the auto space. We're joined by Mr. Anil Dua, who's Senior Vice President, Sales, Marketing and Customer Care at Hero Honda, who now joins us from Delhi. Now, it's over the past 10 months, we've seen very, very good volumes. And the fact is that now we're looking at a situation where there are capacity constraints that are coming into play. How is the company looking to handle the situation?
Yes, we've been doing very well on our volumes over not only last 10 months, but over last couple of years. In fact, for this year, we've announced that we'll be selling much more than 4 million bikes. Against this, capacity between our three plants is actually 5.2 million. So I think I do not see any problem immediately on our capacities.
Right, Mr. Dua, can you quantify the benefit you would derive from your tax benefit or tax-free plant at Haridwar?
Benefits from Haridwar plant are a combination of excise tax and income tax benefits. The best way for me to quantify it for you is to look at the effective tax rate that we've declared. If you look at the 6 months so far, we are talking of an effective tax rate of about 23%. If you compare it with pre-Haridwar days, our effective tax rate used to be 31%. So I think thanks to Haridwar plant, the effective tax rate has come down from 31% to 23%.